In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create payment links in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill in, and how to save a clean, ready-to-share payment link for your customers. Quick note before we start. This walkthrough assumes you already have a product set up and access to the payments area in your GoHighLevel subaccount. First, open your GoHighLevel subaccount. This is the specific workspace for the business or client you're working with. If you manage multiple locations, double-check you're in the right one so the product and payment data match what you expect. Once you're in, head to the left-hand navigation and click Payments. This is your hub for everything revenue-related, including invoices, products, and, of course, payment links. If you don't see payments, you may need permissions from an admin. Inside Payments, select Payment Links. Think of this section as your library of checkout links for one-time purchases, deposits, or simple subscriptions, without building an entire checkout page. It's perfect for quick invoicing or sending a link in a chat or email. Now choose Create New Payment Link. This opens the setup screen where you define what the customer is paying for and who the link is meant to reach. The goal here is clarity, a link that points to the exact product and the correct customer. Start by selecting a product. Pick the item or service you want to charge for from your existing product list. Take a second to confirm the price and billing type are correct. If you see multiple versions of a product, choose the one that matches your current offer. Next, enter the customer's first name. This helps personalize the checkout and improves your records. Then add the last name. Accuracy matters here. Names appear on receipts and can be used in automations or follow-ups. Add the customer's email. This is essential for sending the receipt and any automated confirmations. Type carefully and scan for typos. A small error can prevent the customer from receiving payment notifications. When everything looks good, click Save. GoHighLevel will validate the details and create the payment link. After saving, you'll see the new link appear in your payment links list, ready to copy and share wherever your customer prefers to pay, via email, text, or chat. If anything doesn't look right, you can return and edit the link details without starting from scratch. And that's it. Open your sub-account, go to Payments, choose Payment Links, create a new link, select a product, add the customer's name and email, and save. Simple, fast, and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.